777. Everything you have experienced in life up until now has been preparing you for the next level. Trust in the process, trust in what is about to unfold. Type 777 if you agree. Source is saying to you today, you are on the verge of a breakthrough. Something special is going to happen for you when you least expect it. You decided to become the best version of yourself, and the positive daily steps you are taking are paying off. Every challenge the universe has thrown your way is designed to mold you into the person you dream of being. Have full faith and trust that everything you are going through is for your benefit. Great times are ahead. Type yes to claim it and also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111. Thank you all.